Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Pioneer AVH 2550NEX DVD player is acting up like freezing, not responding, or having connection issues, you might be thinking something is seriously wrong. But in many cases, it's just a minor system glitch that can be fixed with a simple reset. Many users don't realize that these infotainment systems have a built-in reset option, and skipping this step often leads to unnecessary frustration. The good thing is that resetting your unit can quickly restore normal performance and fix most common problems without needing any technical help. Try these. Step 1. Turn on your Pioneer AVH 2550NEX unit. Step 2. Tap the settings on the screen. Step 3. Go to System Settings. Step 4. Scroll down and find the Restore Settings or Factory Reset option. Step 5. Select it and confirm the reset process. Step 6. Wait for the system to restart and set it up again.